So if you're getting flooded with emails that you don't want inside of your inbox, what you can do is you can go to the top where there's a search bar and you click on this arrow. And if you find the title of the subject, so for this one here, I've got a class list that I keep on getting every single day. I get two of them. I'm just going to take class list for GR3 BBBB, and I'm going to type that in, and it's going to go here into the subject line. So if there are emails that say class list, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a filter. If I wanted to, I can delete that. So if you want to ignore those emails, you can delete them. Rather than doing that, what I do is I skip the inbox, so I still own the email, but I don't have to read it right away, or they just go into a folder. And I apply the label, and I'm going to put a new label here. And my new label is going to say virtual school class list updates. So when I do that right now, it will go into a new label on the side for me, and that way it's organized for me. And I can apply that to all the past ones, and I can create the filter. That'll save me a lot of time and energy from looking at emails that I don't want to. If I have a request for a certain file, I can also do the same thing by creating a filter.